Chapati sandwich is a very easy recipe that can be had either for snack or as a lunchbox recipe. Now this sandwich is loaded with veggies and cheese, and I'm sure it's going to be a huge hit with your kids. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the chapati sandwich, first I'm going to make the filling. For this, take a nice kadai or a white pan. Take 1 tablespoon of oil. To this add 2 teaspoons of garlic, 2 teaspoons of ginger. Add a few chopped green chilies. Next add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Next add half cup of capsicum chopped, half cup of red capsicum. Cook this for about 2 minutes. To this add 2 small tomatoes finely chopped. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. Add 1 tablespoon of Bhaji masala. Next add half teaspoon of salt. To this add 200 grams of paneer cut into small cubes. After adding the paneer, cook for about 10 minutes. Check for seasoning. Before you turn off the stove, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Give it a quick mix. Garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. I'm going to start making the chapati sandwich. So I have a cooked chapati. I've grated some cheese. So add a little bit of cheese on one side. Place a little bit of the filling onto the cheese. So add a little bit of cheese. Heat a tawa, add a little ghee. Gently slide the stuffed chapati onto the tawa. Press the chapati gently. Keep the flame on low. Cook the stuffed chapati for about a minute on both sides. I'm going to make a quick mint and coriander chutney. For this I'm taking 2 green chilies, a piece of ginger, a mix of coriander and mint leaves. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Add a little salt. Just going to add a little water. The mint coriander chutney is done. So there you go, we've done the chapati sandwich. Now if you do have any leftover chapatis, this is a nice way to make use of your chapatis, or you can even make them fresh and enjoy this chapati sandwich. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.